Am I recording? Yes, I am. Hey, what is up, YouTube? This is John Bryle again, here in the streets of the Queen City of the South, Cebu. So, wow, she just asked me if I'm an uncussed driver. Okay, well, thanks to the phone holder. Alright, so, anyhow, so yeah, finally it's Saturday. Oh, it was a long week. Di na jud mga choy, rest days, days off. Finally, maka-rest na talaga. So, today, March 30th, Saturday, this year of 2019. So, we're heading somewhere nga wala pa jud na ako natuan ever since. This is kind of an event that, you know, I haven't been to, okay? And if you're a motorcycle enthusiast, you should know about this. You should know what's happening today, right? It's the Visayas MotoFest 2019, guys. Now, they say that this could be the largest, the biggest moto show here in Cebu, or in Visayas actually, for this year. Well, it's still early to tell, because, you know, we're still at the first quarter of the year, but, yeah, we'll go and see, find out what's in there for us. Okay, I'm not really familiar with the place, though I work somewhere in Madawi, but, you know, I'm not really familiar with the place. So I'm using Waze right now. And yeah, we just installed this MotoWolf phone holder earlier today, by none other than our master Sedler Zuniga of COC. So yeah, I better go ahead and check him out as well if you have some, you know, some problems, or if you need help, or accessories maybe that you would want to use for your Honda Click, maybe version 1 or the Game Changer. He can help you a lot. So yeah, the Sedler Zuniga, I might include a link down in the description below, his Facebook page or Facebook account, if you want to contact him. Alright. So what up, guys? It's a weekend. What are your plans today? Tonight, actually, and tomorrow. Yeah, probably tomorrow I want to go up and drive to Trans Central Highway, though there has been some issues lately, you know, going up there. So if you were to ask me, well, this is just me, you know, I might just lay low a bit and wait until everything's good. Alright. So mauro siguro do, dili na ako magdaghang storya, because, you know, I don't have much to say, or I really don't know what to say anymore. And I don't have still any microphones yet, so the voice quality of this vlog is still not as good, okay? If you like the video, hit that subscribe button and drop a like and comment below. Alright, see you later. So guys, here we are now at North Drive Mall. Okay, there you go. There it is. So where is it? There's a lot of motorcycles in here, so this must be it. Alright, so it looks like we're here now.